Welcome to the Amazon, a world of wonder. Imagine a place, a vast green world. This is the Amazon rainforest. It is one of the most incredible places on our earth. Sunlight filters down through a thick roof of leaves. Strange and wonderful sounds echo all around. Monkeys chatter high in the trees, insects buzz, perhaps a distant growl hints at a hidden hunter. This is a land of mystery, holding countless secrets. The Amazon is truly enormous. It is the largest rainforest in the world. It spreads across 9 countries in South America. The mighty Amazon River, like a giant serpent, flows through its heart. This river carries more water than any other. It is so wide in places you cannot see the other side. This immense forest and its river system create a unique home, a home for an astonishing variety of life. Let us begin our adventure. This amazing place is called a rainforest for a very simple reason. It rains here a lot, almost every day. Warm tropical rain falls. This rain nourishes the forest. It helps the trees grow tall and strong. It fills the rivers and streams. The constant warmth and wetness create perfect conditions for an explosion of life. This is why the Amazon is so vibrant. The rainforest is not just one flat green carpet. It has different layers, like a very tall building. At the very bottom is the forest floor. It is dark and damp here. Fallen leaves cover the ground. Above this is the understory. Smaller trees and shrubs grow here. Then we reach the canopy. This is like a huge green roof. It is formed by the leaves and branches of tall trees. It is bustling with life. Finally, the emergent layer has the tallest trees. They poke out above everything else. The Amazon rainforest is incredibly important for our whole planet. The trees and plants breathe in carbon dioxide. They then breathe out oxygen. Now let us meet some of the Amazon's ancient residents, the reptiles. These animals are often covered in scales. They are cold-blooded. This means their body temperature changes with their surroundings. They have lived on Earth for a very long time. The Amazon is home to many fascinating reptiles, from giant snakes to watchful crocodiles. They are masters of survival in this wet, warm world. One of the most famous is the mighty anaconda. This is one of the largest snakes in the world. It is not venomous, instead it is a constrictor. It waits patiently in the water or along riverbanks. When an animal comes close to drink, the anaconda strikes. It wraps its powerful body around its prey. It squeezes until the animal can no longer breathe. Then it swallows its meal whole. It can eat large animals like capybaras or deer. Another impressive reptile is the caiman. Caimans are related to crocodiles and alligators. They live in the rivers, swamps, and lakes of the Amazon. They are skilled hunters. They eat fish, birds, and other small animals. You might see them basking in the sun on a riverbank. This helps them warm up their bodies. The Amazon rainforest is also home to countless mammals. Mammals are warm-blooded animals. Most have fur or hair. The mothers feed their babies milk. In the Amazon, mammals live everywhere. They live in the highest treetops. They live on the shadowy forest floor, and they live in the waters of the great river. Each one has its own special way of life. Each contributes to the forest's rich tapestry. The jaguar is perhaps the most iconic Amazonian mammal. It is the largest cat in the Americas. Its beautiful spotted coat provides excellent camouflage. It blends perfectly with the dappled sunlight of the forest floor. Jaguars are powerful and stealthy hunters. They can prey on almost anything, from monkeys and sloths in the trees to deer and capybaras on the ground. They are also strong swimmers. They can even hunt caimans in the water, a true king of this jungle. Then there is the sloth, an animal famous for being slow. Sloths spend most of their lives hanging upside down in trees. They move very, very slowly. This helps them save energy. Section 5, bright and bold, the Amphibians Alert. Let us now explore the world of amphibians. These are creatures that often lead double lives. Many start life in the water as tadpoles, then they change and can live on land. Amphibians have smooth, moist skin. The Amazon is a paradise for them. The constant dampness keeps their skin from drying out. Frogs, toads, salamanders, and caecilians all thrive here. They come in an amazing array of colors and sizes. Some of the most striking are the poison dart frogs. These tiny frogs are incredibly beautiful. They have bright, vivid colors, reds, yellows, blues, and greens. But these colors are not just for show. They are a warning. They tell predators, "Don't eat me, I am poisonous." This is called aposematism. The brighter the frog, often the more toxic it is. Their skin contains powerful toxins. These protect them from being eaten. What do these colorful frogs eat? They mostly feed on small insects, ants, termites, and tiny beetles. It is believed that they get their poisons from some of these insects. The frogs themselves are not harmed by the toxins. Section 6. Winged Wonders, Birds of Paradise. The Amazon rainforest is a true paradise for birds. The air is filled with their songs and calls, and the trees are decorated with their brilliant colors. Thousands of different bird species live here, from the largest eagles to the tiniest hummingbirds. Each has found its own niche, its own way to thrive. Their feathers flash like jewels in the sunlight. They are the winged wonders of this incredible ecosystem. Macaws are some of the most spectacular birds. They are large parrots with long tails. Their feathers are incredibly colorful, bright reds, blues, yellows, and greens. You often see them flying in pairs or small flocks. They have very loud calls, a raucous squawking. Macaws have powerful beaks. They use these strong beaks to crack open hard nuts and seeds. They play an important role in spreading seeds through the forest, helping new trees to grow. Another bird with an amazing feature is the toucan. Toucans are famous for their enormous, colorful bills. The bill can be almost as long as the bird's body. It looks heavy, but it is actually quite light. It is made of a honeycomb-like bone structure. Scientists believe the large bill has several uses. It helps the toucan reach fruit on high branches. It might also be used to impress other toucans. Section 7. Secret Strategies, How Animals Stay Safe. Life in the Amazon rainforest can be dangerous. There are many predators looking for a meal, and many animals trying to avoid becoming one. So how do they survive? They have developed amazing secret strategies, clever tricks and adaptations. These help them stay safe or help them catch their own food. It is a constant game of hide and seek, a dance of survival. One of the most common strategies is camouflage. This means blending in with the surroundings. Many animals are masters of disguise. Stick insects look exactly like twigs. Leaf-mimicking katydids look just like green leaves. Even the sloth, with algae growing on its fur, blends into the green canopy. Some moths have patterns on their wings. These patterns look like tree bark or even like the eyes of a much larger animal. This can startle a predator. Some animals use mimicry. This is when a harmless animal looks like a dangerous one. For example, some non-venomous snakes have bright colors. Their patterns look very similar to those of deadly coral snakes. Predators learn to avoid the dangerous coral snakes, so they also avoid the harmless mimics. This clever trick helps the mimics survive. It is like wearing a scary costume all the time, a very effective defense. Section 8. A Day in the Life. The jungle awakens and sleeps. The Amazon rainforest is never truly silent. It's always alive with activity. But the rhythm of life changes throughout the day and night. As the first rays of sun pierce the canopy, the jungle awakens. The air fills with a chorus of sounds. Howler monkeys begin their booming calls. These resonate for miles, marking their territory. Birds join in, singing their morning songs. A symphony of the wild greets the new day. During the warmth of the day, the forest is busy. Monkeys forage for fruits and leaves in the treetops. Colorful butterflies flit through sunny clearings. Reptiles like iguanas and snakes bask in patches of sunlight. They need the sun's warmth to energize their bodies. Hunters are also active. Jaguars might be prowling silently on the forest floor. Eagles soar above the canopy, searching for prey below. Life is in full swing, a constant search for food and safety. As evening approaches, the light begins to fade. Section 9. Our Amazon treasure protecting this precious world. We have journeyed through the Amazon rainforest. We have glimpsed the secret lives of its amazing creatures. We have seen its incredible beauty, its towering trees and winding rivers, its vibrant birds, stealthy mammals, colorful frogs, and ancient reptiles. The Amazon is a world of wonder, a treasure chest of biodiversity. It is unlike any other place on Earth. Its richness is truly astonishing. But this precious world is in danger. Large areas of the rainforest are being destroyed. Trees are cut down for timber or to make space for farms and cattle ranches. This is called deforestation. Pollution from mining and other activities can also harm the rivers and the animals. Climate change, which affects the whole planet, also threatens the delicate balance of the rainforest. These threats are serious. They put the future of the Amazon and its inhabitants at risk. Why should we care about saving the Amazon? Because it is incredibly important, not just for the animals and plants that live there, but for all of us. Remember, it produces oxygen we breathe. It helps control our climate. Many medicines come from rainforest plants.